I didn't start this channel with a plan. I just started posting random videos of my dog. No camera setup, no voiceover, no real editing, just real life filmed on my phone. But one of those videos went a little viral, and out of nowhere, I got monetized with YouTube Shorts. I had accidentally stepped into one of the best YouTube niches, faceless pet content. But that's when I realized something. If I'm really going to build a pet influencer channel, I need to treat this like a real opportunity. So I asked the one place I figured could help, ChatGPT. I typed in something like, how do I monetize my dog on YouTube? And it turns out that's an actual thing. There are people out there building faceless YouTube channels around their pets and making money from it in multiple ways. But the best part? You don't need a big audience. You don't need to be famous. You just need a strategy. So with ChatGPT's help, I laid out a plan. I already had YouTube Shorts monetization coming in from AdSense, but we added more streams, affiliate links for pet gear, print-on-demand merch with custom dog designs, tips from viewers through platforms like Buy Me a Coffee, and I realized I wasn't just winging it anymore. I had a system. The key? I didn't have to change my personality or post trending dance challenges or do anything cringe. I just leaned into what made people stop and watch, a specific dog breed people love. Simple, authentic clips, a channel that feels like niche research made easy. And by the way, if you don't have a pet, you can still do this. Repurpose pet videos the right way, edit them, add value, turn them into stories. It still counts. It still works. That's the secret no one talks about. So yeah, I asked ChatGPT how to monetize my dog, but only after I saw this niche had real potential. What started as random pet videos turned into a full-blown business. And if you're thinking about doing the same, here's my advice. Skip the confusion. Steal my blueprint. I packed everything into a simple $7 guide. No upsells, no fluff, or just keep watching this channel. I post everything I learn right here. You don't need a viral hit. You don't need a course. You just need a phone, a few minutes a day, and a reason to start. This was mine. What's yours?